I see the truth in quiet eyes. Reflections shift, the balance lies. Every promise, every scar shows me who we really are. The scales are tilting, hearts align, searching for the peace we left behind. In the mirror of love we find our way, through the shadows where the echoes play. Every word a chance to start, to heal the space between our hearts. The silence speaks, it calls my name. No love is lost, it's just reclaimed. What was broken learns to bend, every wound begins to mend. The scales are tilting, hearts align. Balance is the art of time. In the mirror of love we find our way, through the shadows where the echoes play. Every word a chance to start, to heal the space between our